Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is Amina thinks up a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So guys, let us see how we can answer this question. Here question is telling us about Amina. Amina thinks up a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So guys, let us see. Because we do not know the number. We do not know the number that Amina thought of. So let us assume, let Amina thinks up a number. Let Amina thought of the number x. Because we do not know what is that number that Amina thought of. Let Amina thought of the number x. Now, as per the question is saying us Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. That means if the number that Amina thinks of is x, so we can write x minus 5 by 2 because we are subtracting. As per the question, Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. Now x minus 5 by 2, she multiplies the result by 8. That means with this 5 by 2 in the next step, what happening? Amina is multiplying 8 to this result, or to this one, Amina is multiplying 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number. So if we solve this, we are getting 3 times of the same number she thought of. That means 3 times of x, because originally Amina thought of a number of x. Now she subtracts 5 by 2 from it. Here she subtracted 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. So x minus 5 by 2 into 8 is equal to 3x. This is what we got. Hope guys you are understanding, or whatever I am telling here we are very clear. What we got? We got x minus 5 upon 2 into 8 is equal to 3x. Now let us solve this equation and we will get our answer. So let us multiply 8, or I can write 8x minus 5 8s are 40. 40 divided by 2 is equal to 3x. Or I can write 8x is equal to 3x plus 40 divided by 2. What I am doing here? Transposing. Guys, I am transposing here, or moving minus 40 divided by 2 from left hand side of the equation to right hand side of the equation. Why I am moving? I want to move to the right hand side so that it would be easy for us to solve the equation. For that purpose only I am moving this minus 40 upon 2 to the right side of the equation. So that for that movement we got 8x is equal to 3x plus 40 by 2. Or I can write 8x minus 3x is equal to 40 by 2. Now what I am doing here? I am transposing plus 3x from right hand side to left hand side. And guys, we very well know that if we move a number from one side to the other, its sign changes. So for that reason, the plus 3x from right hand side, when it moved to the left hand side, it became a negative 3x. Hope guys I am very clear till here. What we got now? We got 8x minus 3x is equal to 40 upon 2. Or I can write 8 minus 3 is 5. 5x is equal to 40 upon 2. Or I can write 5x into 2 is equal to 40 upon 2 into 2. What I am doing here? Multiplying both sides multiplying both sides by 2. Why I am multiplying both sides by 2? I am multiplying both sides by 2 because you could see here there is a 2 in the denominator. I want to remove this 2 from the denominator. If I want to remove this 2 from the denominator, I need to multiply to the right side of this equation by 2. If I am multiplying something to the right side of the equation, I should also multiply the same thing to the left side of the equation. For that reason, I have multiplied 2 to both sides of the equation. Or I can write 5x into 2 is 10x. 5 2 is 10 is equal to these two cancels out is equal to 40. Or I can write 10x divided by 10 is equal to 40 divided by 10. What we got? We got 10x divided by 10 is equal to 40 divided by 10. So what I am doing here? I am dividing. What I am doing here? I am just dividing both sides by 10. Both sides by 10. Why I am dividing both sides by 10? I am dividing both sides by 10 because I want to eliminate this 10 from x. I want to eliminate this 10. If I want to eliminate this 10, I need to divide this 10 by 10. If I am dividing 10 to the left side of the equation, I should also divide 10 to the right side of the equation. For that reason, I am dividing both sides of the equation by 10. Or I can write x is equal to 4. How? This 10, it cancels out, and here 10 4s are 40. So what we got? We got x is equal to 4. So guys, if you remember what we considered the number that Amina thought of as x. So that means Amina thought of the number 4. So let us write our concluding answer. In order to write our concluding answer, let us look into the question once more. Before that, if you look here, we have already assumed let Amina thought of the number x, and what we got? We got the x value as 4. We got the value of x as 4. So what is the number? The question is asking us what is the number. Amina thinks of a number. What is the number? So let us write our concluding answer. Saying that Amina thought of the number 4. The number that Amina thought is 4. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. Just we need to understand the question so that we can move in a right direction and we can get our answer without committing any errors. Guys, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.